Moving on to our segment Midcap Spotlight. Today, Vaishya is focusing on multiplex stocks that are reacting to poor content show of today's movie release Brahmastra. Vaishya, what are you picking up?
Hi Sonal. Well, the multiplex stocks have had a weak show today on poor content of Brahmastra. Now remember, this movie had a big hope for the film exhibition business as a whole, as Q2 has been relatively soft. This is even after having the releases of some big movies like Liger, Lal Singh Chadda, Shabash Mittu, etc. Now the July box office collections came in weak at 270 crores, while August was even weaker at 142 crores. Now remember, a big movie like Aamir Khan would have easily clocked even 100 crores, but did not manage to do just about 50 crores. Now, with the weak reviews for Brahmastra on the very first day of its release, could possibly mean that September may not bring in much cheer for the film exhibition business as a whole, and the industry has had a weak start to H2 of FY23. Now, Elara Capital had expected the box office collections to grow 4% in FY23 versus the pre-COVID levels. This is after incorporating a weak Q2 of FY23. Remember, Brahmastra advance bookings were also very strong actually. So, a big reversal in PVR and Inox performance is likely only once the box office scripts a turnaround in future. Now, in terms of some big movie lineups, for September, we primarily have The Woman King and Vikram Vedha. But Vikram Vedha is expected to be releasing on the 30th of September, which is the end of the month, and hence the collections would flow in October, which is Q3 and not Q2. So hence, in terms of content lineup, we do not have much for Q2, which is for the last month of this quarter. Let's see what the brokerages have to say. The average target price for PVR is at approximately 2,300, while for Inox it is at 650. In terms of valuations, PVR is at approximately 60 times P for FY23 and Inox is at 35 times. Now for PVR and Inox, the only possible trigger in future could be the NCLT approval for their merger.
Vaishya, thank you very much for that. The stocks are sulking today, PVR and Inox getting a bit punished after some of the reviews for Brahmastra have been a bit poor or negative, so which is why the street is worried that it may not be able to revive the sinking hopes of Bollywood. But with that, we're out of time on Midcap Radar. Your stocks when we return.